Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use document files. Document files are fundamental for storing and sharing information, from simple text to complex presentations. They serve as digital containers for your thoughts, data, and creative work. Understanding the different types, like PDF for universal viewing or DocX for extensive editing, is crucial. This knowledge helps you select the best format for your specific task, ensuring your information is accessible and secure. Creating and editing documents is straightforward with modern software. You can start a new document in applications like Microsoft Word or Google Docs, typing your content and applying various formatting options. Feel free to adjust fonts, colors, and paragraph styles to enhance readability. Remember to regularly save your progress, perhaps every 5 to 10 minutes, to avoid losing any valuable work due to unexpected interruptions. Sharing your documents is simple, whether through email attachments, cloud services like Google Drive, or direct messaging apps. For team projects, real-time collaboration tools allow multiple people to work on the same document simultaneously, seeing changes as they happen. Always remember to manage access permissions carefully, granting viewing, editing, or commenting rights to ensure your document's integrity and security. Protecting your document files is paramount. Always use strong, unique passwords for sensitive documents and consider encryption for an extra layer of security. Make it a habit to back up your important files regularly, perhaps weekly, to an external hard drive or a secure cloud service. Finally, maintain a well-organized system with clear folder structures and consistent naming conventions for effortless retrieval.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.